How do you build an ETF portfolio for asset allocation? Imagine you are setting out on a journey to grow your savings while managing risks along the way. Building an ETF portfolio for asset allocation is like choosing the right map and supplies for your trip. It helps you stay on course toward your financial goals. First, you need to know what you want to achieve and how much risk you are willing to take. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or your child's education? Longer time horizons usually mean you can handle more stocks, which have higher growth potential but more ups and downs. Shorter goals might need more bonds or cash to keep your money safe. Next, decide on a plan that fits your comfort level. A common approach is a mix like 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Stocks can grow your money faster but can be more volatile. Bonds give you income and stability, balancing out the risk. Once you have your target mix, you can pick ETFs to match each part of your plan. For stocks, look for ETFs that track broad indexes like the Standard & Poor's 500 or international markets. For bonds, choose ETFs that cover government bonds, corporate bonds, or mortgage-backed securities. This way, you get a wide spread of investments within each category. To make your portfolio more diverse, consider adding ETFs for small-cap stocks, emerging markets, or specific sectors like technology or healthcare. For bonds, you can diversify by maturity or credit quality. Now it's time to put your plan into action. Buy the ETFs in the proportions that match your target allocation. For example, if you want 60% stocks and 40% bonds, buy enough shares of each ETF to reflect that ratio. Keep in mind, market movements will change your allocations over time. To stay on track, review your portfolio regularly, say every 6 months, and rebalance by selling some of the assets that have grown too much and buying more of those that have fallen behind. This keeps your risk in check and your plan on course. Also, watch your costs. ETFs usually have low expense ratios, which means less money spent on management fees. Be mindful of taxes too, especially if you are investing in a taxable account. Rebalancing can trigger taxable events, so plan accordingly. For adults planning for long-term goals like retirement, creating an ETF portfolio with a clear asset allocation is a straightforward way to stay disciplined and diversify your investments. Starting with broad-based ETFs makes it simple, and more experienced investors can add specific sector or regional ETFs to fine-tune their portfolio. Regular reviews and rebalancing help keep your investments aligned with your changing needs and market conditions. Building an ETF portfolio for asset allocation is about choosing the right mix, buying the right funds, and maintaining it over time. It's a practical, cost-effective way to grow your savings while managing risks.